Dissociative Experiences Scale, also known as DES, is handy for measuring dissociation in patients with PTSD, dissociative disorders, borderline personality disorder, and abuse histories. Dissociation is frequently seen as a psychological defense mechanism for victims of traumatic events. DES was created to provide a method for accurately assessing dissociation in both healthy and clinical populations. Clinical data, interviews, memory loss scales, and discussions with dissociation specialists were all used to develop the scale's item types. To improve the scale's language and structure, pilot testing was conducted. This clinical tool is made up of a 28-item self-report questionnaire. The scale can be used to track the improvement while undergoing treatment. Patients with schizophrenia or psychotic illnesses are frequently screened with the DES-2. However, dissociative experiences can also be a typical element of psychological life. Dissociative Experiences Scales test is used initially for screening purposes only. Psychologists use this assessment to know the patient's tendencies to dissociate. DES is readily available in the public domain. It can be answered individually even without mental health expertise. The 28 questions are composed of situations that may show dissociative tendencies in a person. In mental health care, particular professionals benefit from using the DES. Here are some following experts: psychologists, psychiatrists, psychometricians, counselors, family therapists, general therapists, and trauma therapists. To use our Dissociative Experiences Scale, follow these steps. Download our free DES scale off our Carepatron platform, which you can find the link in the description. Respond to each statement appropriately using the scale provided by the template. The scale used starts with 0% being never and 100% meaning always, with 10% increments in between. Some of the statements in our Dissociative Experiences scales are: some people have the experience of finding new things among their belongings that they do not remember buying. Select a number to show what percentage of the time this happens to you. Some people are told that they sometimes do not recognize friends or family members. Some people have the experience of looking in a mirror and not recognizing themselves. Here is a sample of our Dissociative Experiences Scale from our Carepatron platform. To find our Dissociative Experiences Scale, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.